Welcome everyone to another review right here on Allspark Reviews. Today, bit of something different. I've been asked by a lot of people regarding Transformers for children, not like the collection I've got or the models like for bigger collections. Let's go for a little bit something different and let's look at the Robots in Disguise cartoon series, which was a follow-up to Prime, but the toys, in my opinion, are more aimed at children 5 and above. You could even say 4, but 5 and above. Easy to transform, they can pick up, and it's just simple characters to look at instantly with the colours pop out as well. And I've been asked, could you do one? Could you do a review of one of the Robots in Disguise Transformers? And I said, yeah. So I went and got one today. I actually got 2. This, I'm going to keep sealed. I couldn't help but not buy an Optimus Prime. This is just like it's just a car. It doesn't transform, and you've got a nice figure here of Optimus Prime. Pretty happy with it, so that will still be sealed basically in my collection. So another Optimus Prime. I'm looking at them just now and I don't know how many I've got. On to the main presentation, and of course it is this. The Combiner Force Ultra B. Basically, at the time I think this was coming out, this is when the Combiner Wars and Titan Returns, and now it's the Power of the Primes. That's all aimed to like say my age and collectors. But this is a good starting point for children. And I'm going to unbox it, transform him, see what he's like, compare him height-wise and that to like one of the Combiner Wars. I've actually got, I'll show you on screen just when I put him down. I've got with me to compare my Takara Legends Superion. So we're going to compare him with height-wise. This is a completely different Transformer compared to that. What I've looked at for transforming the Ultra B is completely different. It looks like 6 steps at most, which is a good starting point for like children wanting to get into Transformers and looking at them. How can they transform before they go into something like this, which is an amazing reproduction of Superion. So let's get Ultra B transformed and see what he's like. Well folks, here's the team. You've got Sideswipe, Strong Arm, Bumblebee and Grimlock. With Strong Arm and Sideswipe, we'll move these two out the road just now. Let's get these two transformed. Basically, these are just 1 steps. With each figure, you're just pulling like the arms apart, and you pull the legs down like that to make the figure stand. But the Strong Arm, you can just make her stand. And that is basically it with this figure for these two. Of course, like I said, this is more aimed at the children's side. So to have something less for a child, which is not like, it's not going to overcomplicate things and like, oh, it's going to frustrate and stuff. To have something as simple as that is a lot easier to have. So let's get these two ready for the combining. So you're basically just having them in transform mode. Sideswipe, you pull back this bit, and all you're doing is flicking out the hand with its gigantic thumb. The chest, just pull down the head. There you go. That is a lot simpler for a child, I think, in my opinion. Getting things transformed. And here we go. Exact same. Pull. Flip. There we go. Head down. There's Strong Arm ready for combining as well. So here's Grimlock, everyone. Circulation is okay. I'm not a biggest fan of this type of Grimlock. I still always prefer like the G1 or even Age of Extinction. Yeah, funnily enough, I actually like that Grimlock. But I can understand what they're going with this one aimed at children, with like the colours popping in your face and just the way it looks. It actually does look okay for a child. And transforming them's pretty simple. Again, all you're doing, take these feet and you're flipping them round. So that bit clips in there. And same again. And that's basically him standing. So we've got him standing. The arms you can just flip down. It's basically his legs, which I've got to admit that they've kept just getting the hand ready so I can show you, because I've got no nails to pop the hand. Right. What I do like is they've kept the tradition. The arms are always his legs in transformation mode. That absolutely adore. The hands are stored in here, as you can see in the camera, just that little bit. But as you can see, no nails, so I can't pop them. But to get his head, all you're doing is this. Split, arms ready to go down, and everything folds neatly, which is nice. I actually really like that for a transformation. That is pretty cool. Get his head, all you're doing, splitting in the middle. His head's located here. Let's grab it. And there we've got the mighty Grimlock transformed. To get Grimlock ready for transformation, to go into combiner mode, it's a really simple task. First off, his feet. Flip them round so they'll lock into place. And that's got the bit for the combination. With his head, obviously fold it back down and just split them apart. And this is going to be the feet for the character. And all you're doing is bending this part up, which is his arm or his foot, depending on what mode you've got him in. And doing that. So there's the foot of the character for Ultra B. Then we can just straighten everything up. So he's nice and tidy. Grimlock is hiding there. And there we have it. Not got him sitting nice the way I want. There we go. There is the legs for Ultra B. So we've got this part ready to go. Last but not least, we have BumbleBee. And always yellow glory. Unfortunately, I don't have the rest of the black paint. That I wish they did fill in. But all in all, it's an okay character. It's okay. But for a child, again, like I said, this is not aimed at me. Perfect for a child. Very simple to transform. I just wish the movie line was the exact same, but hey ho. For a child, this is perfect. Absolute perfect toy for Transformers. Best way to introduce him to BumbleBee, in my opinion. To transform him, get him into a character, is you just lift this bit here, front of his car. So just so you can see, this bit is just on a hinge, it comes up. There's the front of the car, and that just sits there. So same side again. And we've got BumbleBee ready. Just pop his arms just a fraction. Let's do it that way. So that's it. There's not much articulation again. And then we have BumbleBee in all his glory. And of course, with the Robots in Disguise toys, there's an app for smartphones where you can scan the sticker, and I think it activates like a game or something. I'm not entirely sure. I've never tried it. This is the perfect time for me to try it. I have no excuses. I can now try it. So to get BumbleBee ready for combination, his arms, they're on double hinges, and basically you're just flipping these back. We'll put his head back down just for now. So that's the back, all ready. So again, the bits, and get BumbleBee's arms up ready for combination mode. Just make him do the splits ever so slightly. These panels, which you can see here, flip them up so they're like that. Same on the other side. Once you've done that, come around here, pop this little panel, and that will show you the combination part. Easiest way I found to do it while you're turning, because this is on a double hinge, is put your finger in there, okay? And it makes it so much easier for this part to come out, and you just twist round and then you just lock it into place. So there's a little panel here you've got to clip into place, so it might be easier to show on the other side. So let's get this arm all neat and tidy so I can get this wheel back in. That's it. So that's one side done. Same again. Panel out, wheel out, and twist. That one was actually so much easier. And we can close that over, twist that round, and as you can see, the body is now ready. As soon as we can clip this into place, there we go. Bumblebee's body. Now that we have everything ready, let's get the combination started. So let's focus on the legs and the body part. Very simple. You're just matching this clip to here, which I think is perfect for a child. So you're just sliding them in. That's it, locked. Now that we've got this part ready, turn these panels so the green arrow is facing towards your face. So you're looking down, you can see the green arrows. Clips in there, exact same again. Just lining up with the panels. And everything neatly clicks in. I'm really surprised at how good that is. Let's get Strong Arm in. Let's get her clipped in. Or him. I think it's actually her this time. And there we have it. We have Ultra Bee. One part still to finish, and the part that a lot of you have not seen through the process of making this video. Button here pops his head. That has been annoying during the process. But is it a good figure? In my opinion, yes. It's a really good starting point for any Transformers fan at a young age. I got to admit, Hasbro's done a really good job in bringing something, in my opinion, if a small child, 5 and above, like I said, even 4, if they want to get into Transformers, this is a great starting piece. And of course, it comes with his Energon sword. I'm really surprised how much I really like this character. Really surprised. So let's get in a height difference with Superion. So here we go. Here is the height difference with Takara's Legend Superion. And as always, Bumblebee is smaller than everybody else in the Transformers toy line. But this is the style I go for. If you're introducing a kid to Transformers, I highly recommend this as a great starting piece for a collection or even just a toy. Very simple, very easy to transform. The colours are brilliant. Definitely buy this. As always guys, thank you. I hope you really enjoyed the video. As always, like and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Allspark Reviews, and now you can follow Allspark Reviews on Twitter at AllsparkYT. And of course you can follow myself on Twitch at Optimus85. Just type that in the search engine at the top. Also a massive thank you once again to Cybertronic Spree for their amazing track Cybertronic Warrior. I really do hope you guys check them out and give them much support and much love. One of the most fantastic bands I've ever heard and do amazing covers. So please check them out right here on YouTube, Twitter and Facebook. And as always guys, till all are one.